Oh my God. Hi everybody, this is Pam with Jesus Junk Journals. This is, I think, the 4th time I've shot this. Let's see, not plug in the cord, not turn it on. Oh, anyway, I just thought I better show you my face so you know I'm not being held hostage anywhere. But I wanted to say thank you for all your support and signing up on YouTube and watching the videos, making comments and everything. And I think I'm completely done with the COVID. The brain fog is gone, finally, I think. And so anyway, thanks for everything. I also wanted to tell everybody, if you haven't seen the Jesus Art Journal Challenge, go out and look at that, because we're working through the alphabet on words that are in the Bible. And it's really fun. You get to use all your art supplies. So check that out, and hope you'll join us on that. So anyway, I'll get off of here and we'll go work on that Valentine, the ribbon sliders, I think is what we're going to do next. So, all right. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye. Hi, everybody. This is Pam with Jesus Junk Journals, and we're getting ready to get going on this Valentine mini journal, God's Valentine. And I'm going to cut these hearts out. And while I'm doing that, I'll just say thank you for watching. I hope you're having a great day. Hope you're having fun with crafts or having fun watching me craft. Either one is fine. Now I'm going to take an X-Acto knife and cut the slits for the ribbon, and actually going to cut just a little bit short of that because I nicked it when I cut it out. So these two go together, of course. It's the two things that Jesus has asked us to do, which is love God with all your heart and everything in you, and love others as you love yourself. I'm going to use this lace, and so what you do is you take a paper clip, and whatever lace or ribbon you're going to use, you just drape it over, actually I could use this end, drape it over the end of a paper clip, and that helps you feed this through. Let's see, love the Lord your God. So this will go on top, and this will go on the bottom. So I'm going to feed this through the bottom and then through there, and it slipped off. So you pull it through, and then you just do the same thing with the top two slits. You go in and out. And this is, let's see, this is bottom. So now I'm going to feed the same ribbon through this one. Start in the back and come just over the two slits. And as soon as I get it through there, I grab the ribbon and pull the paper clip back out. And same thing again, and you're done. Go back up through the two top slits. grab that, pull it through, and get it situated how you want it to be on the page. And I'm going to cut a little bit extra off. And then you can take it to the sewing machine and sew it. Just go across here and across here. Or I'm going to use Fabri-Tac and glue it. Pull this up just a little bit. Pull this one up just a little bit. Glue that. And just adjust the hearts to wherever you want them to be. And that is the ribbon slider page. So now I have some cutout hearts, and what I thought I would do is just go back and stick some hearts on some of these pages that don't have hearts, just to make it more Valentine-y. That looks like a good place for a heart. This one looks like it could use a heart. Hearts with words on them. I'm just going to glue one of those down, I think. And actually, I think I'm going to actually tear a piece of scrap. Just to give it a little bit, stand out, make it stand out a little bit more from the background. This one could use a heart. And I'm going to ink the edges to make it stand out a little bit more. Just going to glue one of these newspaper print or old book print hearts I made. Use a smaller heart, I think. Okay, so now we're really ready to, oh, I was going to show you this. So this one, I had some little words, and this was meant to use like up here if you wanted to use one.
So I gave you 3 to choose from, and you can use those words anywhere, so you can add those somewhere else. So I'm going to do I love you and so does Jesus. I think that goes cute with those little kids. Trim this off. So there's all kinds of little hearts and things that you can cut out and add and decorate however you want. And we've got all these cards to put in. And so the next thing is going to be the cover. So I'm going to stop for today, and you guys can go on and decorate and add hearts and whatever else you want. And then I'm going to come back tomorrow, and we will put a cover on this thing, and then we will stuff it and we'll be ready. All right. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it so much. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked the ribbon sliders, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.